This IXGNIJ aluminum extrusion set provides 10 matching rails at 1000 millimeters each, which is ideal for building larger frames without splicing shorter pieces. The European-style 20 by 20 millimeter profile is made from 6063-T5 alloy, giving it a good balance of rigidity and machinability for three-dimensional printers and small computer numerical control projects. Its anodized finish leaves the surface smooth and resistant to oxidation, so it stays clean and professional-looking even in workshop environments. The T-slot design with 4 usable grooves works well with common hardware like T-slot nuts and pulleys, making it easy to adjust components or reconfigure a build. Straightness and consistent dimensions across the 10 pieces make them reliable for linear motion setups such as rails, gantries, and precision workbenches. Beyond three-dimensional printers, these extrusions are versatile enough for automation rigs, laser enclosures, and custom furniture-style frames. So one package can support many different do-it-yourself projects.